How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to use hand gripper for fast feigns. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So I have some hand grips here, you guys. I have lots of hand grips. Basically, what you want to do when you're training for hand grips, you guys, is you want to get on a good workout program. Now, with hand grip training, if you want, you can train every single day. I have been training, usually I will train every other day, and I've been doing this for about 4 years. I like to train every other day because when you're doing the hand grip training, your hands, your forearms, even a little bit of your biceps and your shoulder, they are muscle groups, you guys. And even though they're used frequently throughout the day, you're still going to give them a little bit of a rest. Just like your legs, your biceps, your chest, your shoulders, you wouldn't train those every single day. You would give it a little bit of a break. So what I did with my hand grip training, and something that allowed me to get very, very veiny hands, forearms, arms very fast, was to come up with a good program. Once you have a good program, your veins will literally start to come in. So basically what I did is I would do this. So my first set would just basically be normal hand grips like this. So what I would do is I would start off trying to get 3 sets of 15 reps. Sorry, 3 sets of 20 reps. If I could get all 3 sets of 20 reps, I would increase the weight. Now, most hand grips that I use go up in 50-pound increments. So you'd start off with 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350s. I'm currently working on the 350s. Once you hit 3 sets of 20, move up 50 pounds. Once you move up 50 pounds, you're probably not going to get 3 sets of 20. So you just keep working every other day until you hit that 3 sets of 20. And then you just move up in weight. It's very simple and it works. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.